So every now and then we'll have somebody come in, they want their knife cleaned. It's not an official service we offer or anything, but
Right.
these are the materials we usually recommend for doing that. So here we got an old Parker Edwards buoy. That is messed up. Like, this has been put through the ringer. You can see that edge has been resharpened a number of times. It's got rust all over it. This was stored in the sheath, never oiled or anything, and it's just a mess. So first thing you're gonna do is go over it with a rust eraser. This is like $5, and what this does is pretty much just, it's what it is. It's a rust eraser.
Okay.
This, you don't necessarily want to use this on antique knives or stuff that could potentially be valuable, because this, it will take off the rust, but it'll also take off the finish with it too.
Right.
So if you have a satin finish or a mirror finish, this will take off just about all that. And you just scrub away at it. Pretty much it's just a game of patience, really.
That is taking it off really quick.
Yeah. Yeah, and Case, actually, they make some where it's got 2 different grits. You get 2 in a pack. It's a little more expensive.
Gotcha.
They got a coarse one and then a fine one. And that coarse one will really put in some work.
You know what? Before you let me see something real quick.
Yep.
Show them up close what like okay, let's say this spot right here, this rust spot. That right there. And then how quick that takes that one, just that one particular.
We'll go
spot
10
off.
passes. Well, a little more than 10. Never mind.
Wow, that is. I mean, you can literally watch it just disappear.
Disappear with each pass, yeah.
Yeah. Show.
It won't get rid of the pitting and the really deep stuff. That needs something a little more aggressive, but
Yeah.
cleaning off the surface level rust, this will just about do it.
Okay, and then I see you had some flitz polish. We actually reviewed that on the channel previously. But so once you use this on this rust eraser, and then you just take the flitz to it and polish it out.
Yep, that's pretty much. And the flitz polish actually helps with a number of other things. Like you can see here, that handle is all
oxidized.
Yeah, it's all oxidized and messed up.
Yeah, because that's what I used it on in the video with some brass. It had like brass bolsters on
Flitz
something.
will clean up brass like just about nothing else.
It just eats right through it, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see that.
Yeah, and that green is just gone now. It's only been a few seconds. Just flitz and an old rag, and that's all you really need.
A little bit of elbow grease. That's a really nice buoy, by the way.
It is. Yeah, actually, one of the employees here was going through their garage and found it.
Yeah, it reminds me a lot of one that when we were here for the Bucks Bourbon and Blades, there was a fella that showed a buoy that he had that was a stag handle.
Oh, I remember that. Yeah.
Yeah, and everybody seemed to really like that, but that's really nice. We were just talking about buoys with Joe, with buoys and the sax blades and how similar they are.
Yeah.
So
this one's actually got a little bit of interesting history behind it, because I believe this was actually made in the same factory the Baron Son's made. So this one predates Baron Son.
Okay.
And this handle here is genuine stag on it. It's not stag bone. That's not synthetic.
That's really nice. And that's out of Alabama, right?
Yep, it's the real deal right there.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's a beautiful knife.
So yeah, this, I mean, if in order to get it really clean, you have to spend a lot of time detailing it.
Yeah.
But it's for surface level cleaning and just getting it ready for storage. Yeah. You don't need anything too fancy.
And y'all carry both these products here, the flitz and the rust eraser?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
All the time.
And those are at redhillcutlery.com. So check them out.